doing right now is we're gonna mix up vinegar with baking soda and see how that turns out. And we have a small wine bottle and we have a glove. So the glove is full, like we put the glove on the wine bottle and we put baking soda inside the glove. And then we're gonna add it in here and see what happens. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna add the glove to the bottle. So I'll show you how it is in action.
Okay.
So, okay, I'll turn it around.
Okay, you ready?
Luke, stop! Luke, stop!
Look,
coloring.
you're in our sunlight. All right, you ready?
Ready?
Okay, see what happens.
Oh my god. Oh my god. High five, anyone? High five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
High five it.
High five.
Ah!
Ah, it spills all over the concrete. Ah.
Woohoo! Science experiment done. Carbon dioxide been created. Okay, sign off. Ava, sign off.
How do I sign off?
Say this is us signing off.
This is us signing off.
Look into the camera.
This is us signing off, so bye-bye.